Hello, this is the public facing AI chatbot, no login required. I will ask it something. Tell me about Shiva. The AI searches the uploaded PDF knowledge base and generates an answer grounded in the actual document content. Notice each claim is backed by a source citation. You can see the exact source documents and page numbers below the answer, so every response is traceable back to the original PDF. After every response, the AI automatically generates relevant follow up questions. You can see them here. I will click one directly. The chat understands the ongoing context, so when I ask about Parvati, it correctly connects her back to Shiva and the same source material. That's conversation memory working across turns. Behind every request, the backend and the AI service never talk to each other directly over HTTP. Instead, they communicate through Redis publisher subscriber architecture. The backend publishes each request to a channel with a unique ID, and the Python AI service picks it up, processes it, and publishes the response back on a separate channel. This keeps the two services fully decoupled exactly as the architecture requires. For storage, ChromaDB holds the vector embeddings used for semantic search over the document content, while Postgres stores all the structured data, user account, document, metadata, and full chat history that powers AI conversation memory. Switching to the admin panel, authenticated separately with JWT, the dashboard shows live stats pulled from Postgres, total PDFs, chat sessions, questions asked, and documents currently processing. Recent document list each upload with its live status updating from processing to completed automatically. Uploading a new PDF triggers the full pipeline automatically. Text extraction, chunking, embedding generation via Gemini, and storage in ChromaDB. No manual steps required, and the entire system runs through Docker Compose. You can see all six services here: Postgres, Redis, ChromaDB, and AI service, backend, frontend, each built and started as its own container. Here I will be uploading a new document. This is the AI full stack developer PDF. So I will test it with another document and I will ask it the relevant questions that I want to ask from this document. So first is, what do you know about Next.js? So it has taken information from the PDF, and also I asked the follow-up questions that what are the specific requirement required for Node.js backend. So it has connected to the PDF and got the contents from here. Now here you can see the API calls. Thank you.